I'm going to show you the fastest way to set up Google Consent Mode V2 with no code and no technical background needed. If you can click buttons, you can do this. Let's get into it. Before we touch anything, you need two things. First, a Google Tag Manager account connected to your website. If you already have this, you're all good. If not, let me show you in 20 seconds. Go to tagmanager.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Click Create Account. Enter your company name, select your country, enter your website URL, and select Web. Click Create, accept the terms, and you'll get two pieces of code. Copy the first one and paste it on the head section of your website. Copy the second one and paste it right after the opening body tag. If you're on WordPress, use a plugin like Insert Headers and Footers. Paste the code there and hit save. That's it. Google Tag Manager is connected. The second thing you need is a consent banner. This is the pop-up that asks visitors if they accept cookies. Without it, you could get fined thousands of dollars. And even if you don't, Google won't count your conversions, so your ads will look like they're failing when they're actually working. To get this set up quick and fast, I'm going to use cookiebot. It's free, it only takes 10 minutes to set up, and it handles all the consent signals you need to set up automatically for you. You can get it for free in the link in the description to follow along with this video. Now that you have Google Tag Manager and cookiebot set up, let me show you how to connect them. In GTM, click Tags, then New. Click Tag Configuration. In the search bar, type cookiebot and select the template from the community gallery. Add it to your workspace. Now you need your cookiebot ID. Go to your cookiebot dashboard, click on the implementation section and copy your ID. Paste it into the tag. For the trigger, select Consent Initialization, All Pages. This just means your banner shows up before anything else loads. Save it. That's cookiebot connected to Google Tag Manager. Now let's make sure it's actually working. Here's the good news. Cookiebot turns on consent mode automatically when you install it this way. You don't need to configure anything extra. But let's make sure it's actually working. Click Preview in GTM. Open your website in a new tab. You should see your consent banner pop up. Before you click anything, go back to Tag Assistant and click on Consent. You should see everything set to Denied. That means it's waiting for permission. Now go back to your site and click Accept. Check the Consent tab again. Everything should now say Granted. If that's what you see, it's working. When visitor accepts cookies, Google knows. When they reject, Google knows that too. That's Consent Mode V2 in action. If your banner isn't showing up, go back to your cookiebot tag and check two things. Make sure your cookiebot ID is correct. And make sure the trigger is set to Consent Initialization All Pages. If the banner shows but the consent states aren't changing, check that you enable Google Consent Mode inside your cookiebot dashboard settings. If you're still stuck, cookiebot has a free scanner that checks your site and tells you exactly what's broken. The link for that is in the description as well. Once everything looks good in preview mode, go back to GTM and click Submit. Give it a version name like Added Consent Mode and click Publish. That's it. Consent Mode V2 is live on your site. But here's the thing. This only helps if your conversion tracking is set up properly in the first place. If that's broken, Google still won't know which ads are bringing in customers. That's why we made this video showing you exactly how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking the right way. See you there.